Hello everyone, Antifika is going well and welcome to our channel Think Digital. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to hide properties in Notion and it's pretty simple. So you just need to go to a page where you have add any table or any database, and in here you just need to simply tap on this three dot option. Here you'll find out this properties option, and here you will find out some options as like that assign test, and you can see this option hide all. We can give this all if you want to hide from all the option, you can simply tap on this hide all, or if you can also select by one another and just like this. And if you simply tap on this icon again, this option will be seen. And that's the easiest way how you can hide properties in your Notion. Basically, whenever you hide your properties, it doesn't delete any data from your Notion pages that you have added. It is temporarily invisible to the your current view. Whenever you will go to the other pages and come back to these pages again, you will find out all of the things that you have added on here. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video find you helpful. Let me know in the comment sections if you have any confusion and keep in touch with us.